What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to loop any YouTube videos on a mobile device. So this would work on an Android or an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we need to do is open up our YouTube application. And what you need to do is just find the video you want to loop. In this video, I'm just going to use one of my videos, the Digital Tutor ones, as an example. And if you look underneath the title of the video, where you've got the thumbs up, the thumbs down, the share, the download, that kind of thing. If you look on the far right hand side, there's actually a button which says save. So if you go ahead and click the save button, and what's going to happen, it's going to come up with a menu like this, and if you look at the very top, there's a blue new playlist word with a plus button. You just need to go ahead and click that, and then what you need to do is just save the playlist. So you can call it whatever you want to call it, and then just click the create button, and you'll see at the bottom of the page it's going to say playlist created. So once we save that as a playlist, what we need to do is just get rid of this video a minute. And you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, there's actually a button that says library. So if we go ahead and click that, and what we want to do is just scroll up a bit, and you'll see our playlists that we've saved. So we've got the one we've just saved there, which we've called repeat video. If you just go ahead and click onto that playlist, and then click on the video to open it. And how you can actually remove it and all you need to do is click the icon above, this one here, that's actually going to loop the video. So that's how you loop a video on your mobile device. If you found that helpful, please drop a like on the video, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you do want to help with the growth of the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you can actually buy a cup of coffee for the team here at Digital Tutor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.